Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about something which I really observe on every second client these days. Daily basis पे जितने भी हम clients को visit करते हैं या जिनको भी हम consult करते हैं, what I really observe is that majority of them, I think most of them except few, most of them have some sort of a problem which is associated with their mind. Mind in the sense they have certain specific feelings, like maybe some sort of anxiety, or maybe they have some issues with the way of perceiving the things. They have some specific way of thoughts. They have some specific way of responding to certain things. Maybe certain anger issues are there, maybe some some are in a situation where they are hardly there to express their feelings, so a sense of loneliness definitely is there. So feeling hurt, feeling alone, feeling sad, feeling anxious, feeling doubtful, feeling, you know, not able to respond to criticism, or maybe having a sort of a negative feeling for themselves or some other person, or have some sort of a incident in mind which they are not able to really leave behind. So kuch na kuch problem related to their thoughts, their perception, and their way of perceiving the things and responding to certain things definitely है most of the clients में. Now, what exactly the body is demanding? Definitely a better nutrition, and some sort of activities to be properly enrolled in, getting more socialized. ये सब चीज़ें तो definitely रहती हैं. But one thing one has to really work upon is internal healing. That internal healing from here and from here is something which is of prime importance right now, because what we really feel is that majority of your issues which you're feeling in the body, the inflammations, and your hormones, your gut health, your sugar levels, everything is somewhere or the other associated how your brain feels and how your brain responds, and what is the current situation in which you are responding to the things. So बहुत ज़रूरी है वो एक internal healing, which I think majority of us are in a need, has to be done by following a feeling of definitely forgiveness. That forgiveness is not for others, it is for ourselves. I always say it is not important to forgive somebody or to forget about something for others. It is majorly important, first of all, for ourselves. It is secondly most important to interact and socialize, so that that feeling of loneliness, boredom, and a sort of a guilt all the time internally needs to be taken care of. Another important thing which I really feel is that, the feeling of gratefulness, being thankful, being, grateful for what all best things you have which others don't have is again very important. And that calmness in your brain and your body is going to be there if you are possibly, maybe doing some sort of a meditation or some sort of a mantra, which is definitely going to benefit you maximum for the healing, is recommended. So I always say gratitude, being grateful, being thankful, being forgetful, and, in a best situation to forgive any situation or any particular individual really helps in healing yourself rather than others. Take care.